Shalom, everybody! I'm so glad to be sharing something special with all of you. This is a late-breaking announcement, friends. With President Donald Trump's creative and positive ideas about leveling what's left of the Gaza Strip and rebuilding it as the next Riviera in the Middle East with luxury homes and condos, here is my idea. Back in 2013, Globes reported, as well as Algemeiner and other news sources, that the real estate magnate and television celebrity at the time, Donald J. Trump, planned to bring his real estate empire to Israel by building a world-class golf course in Ashkelon. I was ready to move there. Well, Trump was quoted as saying, "I am excited about the plans to build a world-class golf center along the beautiful Mediterranean coast. I have great affection for Israel and its people, and I believe that Israel is a worthy place to be included in the list of communities which host Trump golf centers." In fact, folks, we do really need a second golf course, as the only one we have here is in Caesarea or Caesarea. Since this has not happened yet, I have a different idea. Ding! During a previous war with Hamas in Gaza, when they were sending incendiary balloons into Israel to harm our children and population, and with it came fires and environmental terrorism, I, in response, was hitting golf balls towards Gaza to bring down these dangerous balloons. I'm not sure where my golf balls landed, so if you residents and children in Gaza do find my golf balls, keep them as a souvenir, a gift from me. Well then, why not open a golf course in Gaza? I'm all for it, and it will teach the children of the Gaza Strip that golf plays and pays better and is much more fun than fighting Israel through terrorism. Well, we can even have tournaments together and watch the sunsets together. Salam, shalom, peace, my friends.